Hi you guys, hi, this is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay you guys, so today we're gonna make some mustard fried fish. Yes, mustard fried fish. Okay, so come on, let's make some mustard fried fish. Okay, so the ingredients that you're gonna need today, you guys, is I'm gonna use some tilapia fish, and it's the tilapia fillet fish, and then I'm gonna slice it in half and then season it up, and then I'm gonna put the mustard on it. And the seasoning that I used for this recipe, you guys, was some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and then I used my mustard, and then some cornmeal to fry it with. Okay, and the cornmeal is what makes it crispy, in my opinion. Okay, that's what I like to fry my fish with when I want my fish to be extra crispy. Okay, so I'm using cornmeal. Okay, you guys. All right, you guys. So, you ready? Let's get started. Come cook with me. Let's make some mustard fried fish. I'm just making some French fries right here, and I'm gonna make fish and chips. So, this is just the fries, and I'm done making them, you guys. So, let me show you guys. You guys, hold on just a minute. Okay, and these are the fries. Okay, so I made homemade fries. Homemade fries. It's gonna be so good. Don't they look good? Homemade. Ooh, look at that. Homemade fries. Okay, so now we're gonna make the homemade fish, because we're having fish and chips. Okay? All right, so hold on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make the fish right now for my fish and chips, but you know what? I decided that I want to make my fish mustard fried. So I already seasoned my fish, so you can season your fish with whatever seasonings you want. And then I was just gonna batter it, but I decided to use some mustard, because I remember my grandmother used to love eating her fish with mustard. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna fry this fish with some mustard the way that I do my chicken. So that's what I'm doing here, you guys. Almost out. As you can see, add just a little bit of water to this. 1 minute, you guys. Oops. Okay. So I just took some regular yellow mustard, you guys, and I already put my salt on it, so I'm not gonna put too much salt, because I don't like to eat too much salt. And I already have my batter seasoning already, so I'm just gonna add some pepper to this. And then, hold on, sorry guys, I have to get my glove. Okay, bring my light a little closer. Can you guys see that? Okay. A minute. Let me bring the lights a little closer. Okay. All right. So now I'm just gonna stir this up. Okay. We're gonna make some fried fish. Fish and chip day today. Okay, I should have another thing of mustard in the fridge somewhere. Okay, so now you guys, after you do that, you have it all seasoned up with the mustard and the seasonings, but don't put too much salt, okay? Because we got salt in the batter mixture. In my batter mixture, you guys, I just use cornmeal when I want it extra crispy. Okay? I'm a southern girl. So I'm just gonna use cornmeal. So I have cornmeal right here, and hold on, let me put it in the, well actually I'm gonna leave it in this bowl because I need to Just 1 minute. Wash my hands. So now, guys, you're gonna take each slice of your fish. Okay, take a slice, and you're gonna put it in the batter like that. Okay. Let me get okay. Then for each one, we're gonna put over here to the side after we batter it. And we're gonna go to the stove and fry it. Okay? So that's all you're doing here. You have your cornmeal and you season it with whatever seasoning you guys like. I usually put onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of regular salt. Okay, I'm just going to batter each one, and we'll go over and fry it. Hurry up because the cooking oil is on. Oh, honey, let me turn it down. I don't want it to get too hot. Well, I want it to be hot, but not burnt. Okay, you see that, you guys? You see how I'm doing that? That's what you're gonna do. Okay. Take each piece of fish that's been marinated with the mustard. Okay. Ooh. I'm making mustard fried fish for my fish and chip day. So I think I'll call this video mustard fried fish recipe. Okay, a mustard fried fish recipe for your fish and chip day. Okay, that's the last one. All right, so now we're gonna head over to the stove, you guys, because the oil is hot, so come on. All right, you guys. All right, so we're at the stove and we're gonna fry this up, okay? Make sure your cooking oil is very hot. Let me turn it up a little bit more. Go ahead, turn it down. I don't want it to get too hot. And you're just gonna add your fish to the cooking oil. Let each side get golden brown and you're ready to eat. Hope you got your fries ready. Or a nice salad. That sounds good. Okay. Make sure everything can fit. If it won't fit, don't force it, okay? Because fish does better when it has some room, honey. It needs some leg room. Okay. Hold on, let me take these legs off. Okay. And I need to clean my stove, honey. We can't have our stove getting dirty. No, I don't like my stove getting dirty, honey. No, 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 no. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna let each piece of fish get golden brown on each side. Alright? When it's brown on this side, I'm gonna flip it over and it's golden brown. Ooh, I'm so hungry. Why y'all wait until I got so hungry to eat? Alright. See that, you guys? And if you have a skillet like this, that's the amount of oil that you need in there, okay? You don't have to fill it all the way up to the rim. Okay. I'm gonna get my plate set up so it can be ready. Okay. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna let this get golden brown and I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, so let's flip it over. It's a crispy fish. A crispy mustard fried fish. Oh, you guys, I don't know if I told you, but the fish that I'm using for this recipe is the tilapia. Fillet style. And then I just cut each fillet in half. Okay? Okay. Alright. So it's almost ready, you guys, and we're going to be done in a minute. So you just let each side get nice and golden, and then we're ready. Nice and golden and crispy, okay? You want it to be crispy. Okay, I'm gonna go set up the plates and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so the mustard fried fish is ready. Nice and crispy. I'll show you guys. Hold on, let me show you up close. Oops. I don't want to break it. Sorry guys. Okay, there you go. See that? Nice and golden on each side. Isn't that look delicious? Okay. You can turn the stove off because it's ready. Nice and golden on each side. See? This tastes so good with that mustard on it. Oh, it tastes good. Let me know if you've tried mustard on your fish. Have you fried your mustard with fish lately? Anybody? Let me know if you have. It's so good. Sorry, I handled that one too roughly. Okay, one more. Gonna look delicious. Take a bite. Okay, all right. So let's go to the. Let's go make a plate, you guys. Okay. Okay, you guys, so let's make a plate. So let's get the fries that we made. Homemade fries. Right there. For our fish and chip. And for our mustard fried fish. Okay? This is the mustard fried fish. Extra crispy, so delicious. Ooh, it's good, you guys. Wow. if I had a restaurant, my two main fried dishes, my specialty would be my mustard fried fish and my mustard fried chicken. Those would be two of my specialties at my restaurant. I would have people lined up, honey. If I had my own restaurant, oh, I would be so happy. And you guys would be too, because I would be feeding you guys good. Anybody who walked through that door would be so happy. With the food that I'm serving. Oh. Okay. Try to make it look good. Alright, how that look? Look delicious, huh? Okay, you guys. Look at that. Mustard fried fish. Delicious. Look at that. Ooh, mustard fried fish. Mmm, look at that. You guys want some? Here, take a bite. Okay, I'll go a little slow. I'll give you another closer look. Mustard fried fish. You want some, you guys? Okay. Alright, let's get some thumbnails. And there you have it. You have some delicious mustard fried fish for your fish and chip day. Okay, you guys? And remember, I used the tilapia fish, the fish fillet, and I sliced each piece into half. Okay? It's so good, you guys. It's delicious. If you haven't tried mustard fried fish, make sure that you try it, okay? It's so good. You know, it gives it a little more to the flavor. That's what it's giving. A little giving it a little more to the flavor. You don't even need hot sauce with this, you guys. It's so good. Okay, guys, so make sure that you try this recipe. It's so delicious. This mustard fried fish is so good. Once you try this, you might not want to try the others. Because this mustard fried fish is so delicious. So make sure that you check it out, okay? Follow me on the recipe and tell me what you think when you try it, okay? Alright, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't make sure that you try it, okay? Mustard fried fish. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. That's it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Okay, you guys? And make sure that you try. If you didn't cook with me today, make sure that you try this recipe. It's so delicious, okay? Make sure that you try it, you guys. Mustard fried fish. Okay? Alright, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.